Howdy folks, Timber Drifter here. So I'm farm sitting while the owners of this farm are abroad. It's snowing quite heavily. It's not large snowflakes you can perhaps see on my coat here. It's very small snowflakes, but they're accumulating very quickly. It's about 2:30 and it's been snowing since I think right around daylight. And there's close to a foot of snow on the ground. One of my duties here while I'm taking care of the farm is to keep the snow off of that greenhouse. So I've been out here quite a few times already today, knocking that off of there, and I'm starting to get a little tired. Good workout. Having my first pipe of the day here. Esoterica Margate, I believe. Yeah. From Smoke and Briar, and my old Yellow Bull Bulldog I smoke all the time. Right down at the bottom of the bowl here. Old Khakis Tamper. Anyway, tried to go for a walk briefly, but there's about a foot of snow, and then below that there's a layer of crust from when we had sub-zero temperatures for about a week there. A foot of snow is no problem to walk through for a short stroll, but break through that layer of crust, and you jam down through it, and then you got to pull your foot back up through it. Kind of got to me, so I called it off, and now I'm standing here in the tractor shed enjoying the end of this bowl, which I couldn't smoke out there anyway because it would have been floating, the tobacco. So you might have noticed that I've shaved off most of my beard and all of my hair. I'm a cue ball again. Did that last night. Got my hand clippers out, my straight razor, and took care of business. Gotta train this ridiculous mustache. Get it to grow straight. I used to always wear a handlebar mustache, so an absence of the full beard back to that, but you're seeing it in its infancy. It's not trained yet, and I don't have any wax, so it'll just be a damn mess for a good while. But who cares about that, right? It's all for my own entertainment. Safety Sally's out there, don't worry, there's no open fuel cans anywhere nearby. But anyway, I'm going to be here for a while, so I'm going to be uploading some videos I talked about in my last video. Got some couple about my canoe trip last fall, and then one from the end of July. Then I've got another video. Brad from Pipes and Kayaks seriously bombed me, so I'm going to remake that video in the next day or two, because he sent one package and then he sent another package, so I haven't had a chance to upload the first one. So we'll just go over it, and I haven't broken into any of it either, so we'll just go over it all in one go, one big bomb from Pipes and Kayaks. So that's on tap for the next week and a half here. I'll be here longer than that, but I hope to get all those uploaded in that time. So, I'm done with this nice pipe here. I'll give you a little bit of a snowy view on the way back. Knee deep. Kind of fun. Put the pipe away. Alright folks, you got the idea.